Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a session on FX Replay. And if you want to do this, we go right here to the website and then on dashboard, we first need to click right here on backtesting session. So we call this real quick test 1, select here the account balance, this is fine. And then we do Bitcoin. For example, you can also do something else. And then we select right here the initial date. So we do March the 1st and then right here today. Then after this, we click here on create session. And now we created ourselves right here a session. Then what we can do, if we go back and we go right here to sessions, we can also create a new session by just simply click here on new session. Then we can do exactly the same that we did 10 seconds before, and then you can create your own new session. So this is the way how you can create a new session on FX Replay. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.